ever been on a sensory walk? You know, checking in with all of your senses as you're walking, all 8 senses. My name's Shana of Sense Mindful Integration, and I'm going to talk for a minute about taking a sensory walk. It's really pretty simple. It's just a matter of walking and paying attention. There's so much to see and smell and hear, especially if you're out in nature. I happen to live in the mountains, and nature is literally right outside my door, so I'm very fortunate in that way. But you can have a sensory walk even if you don't live in nature. You may not necessarily breathe as deeply if there's car exhaust around you, but you can notice that it's there. You can notice how your breathing changes when you encounter that. So, just a simple sensory walk is a matter of paying attention to all your senses as you're walking. The sights, sounds, smells, paying attention to your breathing and how your breathing changes as you're walking. You can almost taste the air sometimes, especially if you're out in nature. Paying attention to the muscles that it takes to keep yourself upright and balanced as you're walking, as well as your feet as they carry the weight of you and connect you to the earth. Also, the sense of how we feel when we're walking and how we feel when we're out in nature. Research has shown that spending as little as 2 hours a week out in nature can help improve your mental health. I personally believe that that's in no small part to connecting with our senses as we're out in nature. You kind of can't help but connect with your senses when you're walking in nature because it's just so beautiful and things smell so good, especially that petrichor after a rain. Oh, so good. So, I invite you to take a sensory walk when you can. Check in with your senses. How are your feet doing when they are walking? How's your breathing? Are you staying upright? Does your body feel relaxed? Just pay attention. Take a sensory walk. Please ask a question in my comments. Remember to like, share, and follow. And if you would like to learn more, check my link in the comments for my free sensory literacy starter kit. That's all. Have a beautiful day, and remember to mind your senses. Kiki. Hi, baby girl.